Hello, my name is Alex, I'm from Boston, Massachusetts, and this is my final project. I call it Certified Fresh. So for my final project, I decided to make something that I can use myself. I watch a lot of movies, and to see what I want to see, I use this popular movies list by Stephen Liu, but it only shows you what's going on in the theaters right now, so I decided to turbocharge it with information from Rotten Tomatoes, the Certified Fresh list, which is not publicly available. So I created my own site that parses this Rotten Tomatoes and makes this list. Alright, it's all the movies that have about 100 or so tomato rating, which are awesome. So the way it works is it pulls the data from Rotten Tomatoes via private API, then the script parses the information, it merges it with IMDb information, then the script fills the database for the website and makes a JSON list for all your automation software. As far as stack goes, I'm using Python with Flask, IMDb-PY, additional library, and a pagination. I'm using SQLite database and HTML, CSS with Jinja. So automation software picks up my JSON list, which looks like this. It's in the same format as Stephen Liu's JSON list because it's the standard in automation software. So there you go.